have lost, the SPs have lost, assigned land have been lost, the forest has been lost, sir. And now this government is trying to correct it. And in this corrections also, there are few things which further needs to be corrected, sir. And we want to bring that to the notice of the government. And the BRS is not allowing us by disturbing the proceedings of the House, sir. Sir, I would continue, sir. And once again I request, sir, for the last time, please request them, or sir, we should suspend them, sir.
So many times I requested.
Yes, sir. I am witness to that, sir. You have done, sir. But it is very sad, sir. It is very sad. It is very sad. Sir, they are giving the slogan, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी. तानाशाही तो ये करते आए हैं, ये कर रहे हैं. 10 साल तानाशाही करे. अभी भी तानाशाही कर रहे हैं. क्या है, सर? सर, हमारे पास उर्दू में एक मुहावरा है, सर. गैरों पे तनकीद करने से पहले अपने गिरबान में झांक कर देखो बोलते हैं. तो आई वुड एडवाइज द BRS पीपल तो अपने गिरबान में झांक कर देखिए. अरे हमको बोलने दीजिए. सर, इफ नॉट दिस फोरम, वेयर शुड वी गो, सर? 10 years they enjoyed the fruits, sir, of power. Not only enjoying, sir, their 7th generation can enjoy that much. They have looted the state, sir. I would come on record and say, sir, it is unfair not to allow us, sir. Sir, the land is a valuable and finite resource that is under immense pressure due to the growing demand of the society. With land values steadily rising, it is imperative to maintain accurate records of rights, ROR and survey records to ensure proper land management and governance, sir. So this bill has been drafted by present Congress government apparently to address the lacuna in the Telangana Right in Land and Pattadar Passbook Act 2020 enacted with the provision of BRS government in October 2020 and replacing the earlier Act of 1971, sir. So the 2020 Act was intended to issue Pattadar Passbook, come title deeds to all the landowners and provide for automatic acquisition of rights immediately after transfer of property. However, the 2020 Act, which introduced Dharani portal, caused numerous hardship to the landowners, and there was no redressal mechanism for correcting the errors in Dharani, sir. Almost, sir, 18.37 lakh acre of land pertaining to 11.62 lakh khatas were digitally not signed and thus kept in Part B, sir, in Dharani. It is very sad. Sir, consequently, farmers who were cultivating the land found the land being kept in Part B and not issued new Pattadar Passbook, sir. If a part of land in a survey number was assigned, or government or endowment or work land, then entire survey numbers were entered in the prohibited properties list, and there was no provision for adjudicating of Part B cases, sir. Sir, the 2020 Act sought to clear 9 lakhs applications covering an extent of 10 lakhs acres for regularization and unregistered sale, Sada Bainami, by the small and marginal farmers, but it could not be done as there was no provision for the same in the Act. There was no provision, sir. That is why we are bringing in this, sir. Sir, moreover, there was no record of right of Abadi and non-agricultural land, and there was also mismatch to extend the Setwar RSR resurvey settlement register or field survey of land records covering an extent of 5.83 lakh acres, sir. So there was no provision, sir, in 2020 Act for appeal and revision, and land governance became centralized at district and state level, and there was no land machinery at the village level as the previous government had also enacted Telangana Abolition of Post of Village Officer Act 2020, sir. बड़े ही मंसूबाबंद अंदाज में लूटने के लिए और तबाही मचाने के लिए ये विलेज ऑफिसर्स एक्ट भी लाया गया था, सर. Sir, I may recall on the eve of 2023 elections, sir, the Congress had promised in its poll manifesto to replace the Dharani portal with a more transparent Bhumata portal and to undertake a comprehensive land survey for determining the land ownership rights, sir. So the Congress has also promised to establish a land commission for resolving land ownership issue and for protection of government lands. I may point out that no land commission has been set up so far, but the new government constituted a committee comprising of M. Kodanda Reddy Sahab, retired bureaucrat who is now an MLC, Raymond Peter Sahab, Sunil Kumar and B. Madhusudan for looking into the issues relating to Dharani and restructuring the portal, sir. So through you, I would like to ask the government and the Revenue Minister Sahab, has the committee submitted the report?